Well, let's test out the Xiaomi Pro. This one's I mean, basically, if you don't see the size difference, you'll think it's the same as the Xiaomi M365. So it's basically the same thing, right? Bigger motor and bigger battery. Those are the main differences, and really it's going to come down to this test is going to actually tell us a lot about how this bigger motor does. It's 300 watts, 600 max versus the M365, which is, excuse me, 250 watt motor, 500 max. So it's gonna, you know, this hill climb is gonna tell us a lot. The one thing you'll notice about the Xiaomi is that because this doesn't have a zero start function, it's always push to start. Any scooter like that, when you're starting on a hill, especially with the Xiaomi, is actually pretty tricky to get it going. You probably saw a bunch of false starts that I did, especially when those kids were watching. And so really the way to do it is you gotta get about 2 miles an hour speed, and then you can't just push the throttle 100%. You actually have to give it like maybe 20-30% and hold it until you feel it kick in, then you can gun it. And it's a tricky thing. I know for the 9-bot max scooters like that, same controllers that are heavier, it's even that much more difficult, especially if you're a lighter person. It made up the hill. I actually think it's definitely faster than the M365, but you know what? We're just gonna have to wait and find out. So the Xiaomi M365 Pro actually is a bit faster in acceleration than the original M365, and it's noticeable. In the 200-foot test, you'll see that there really isn't a huge difference in the actual total time because the old Xiaomi is actually just a little bit faster. Good. Retest. We've skid marked this whole road now. Whoops. Yeah, Xiaomi's fine. Performance is fine. I actually think it's pretty stable. No suspension, but you know, you got those 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, and you know, they're not going to slip on you. So it's kind of a good thing. Otherwise, it's simple thumb throttle. You just, you know, it's a little tricky to get used to it, you know, because you gotta get it a little start and then you gotta just kind of barely push down on it. Other than that, it's a good scooter. I mean, this is the Xiaomi M365 just supercharged. So, well, I don't know if I call it supercharged. More battery. I think it's the range that's going to be the biggest thing, but it felt fine. All right.